How to upload Snapchat story from camera roll without showing camera roll on the story. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily upload a story on your Snapchat from camera roll and without showing camera roll on the story. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Snapchat app, then tap on lenses here, and after tapping on lenses tap on explore here in the bottom right corner, and then in explore tap on search bar and search for camera roll. And after searching camera roll tap on this camera roll lens. Then from here you have to upload the picture from camera roll. You can tap on this plus and this will take you to your phone's gallery, or you can select from here. Now after selecting the picture tap on capture and then tap on next in the bottom right corner here and add the snap to your story. So tap on my story, or if you have a private story then select that, and after selecting tap on send in the bottom right corner here and the story is posted. So let's see what it shows. You can see this old story I have posted. It shows 1 day ago from camera roll. Now let's see the new story. You can see that here it doesn't show from camera roll, it shows 1 minute ago. So this is how you can upload Snapchat story from your camera roll without showing it. Thanks for watching.